These are the Meta Ray-Ban sunglasses. And for the last week, I've been testing them in the field. Today, I want to show you what that footage looks like, how they work, where they shine, and where they fall short. Then we'll talk about how I think this kind of wearable tech could shape the future of our industry. These smart glasses were developed by Meta and Ray-Ban to let you capture video and audio straight from your POV, no hands or silly chest mounts. You could take pictures, start a video, even go live stream on Instagram or Facebook, all with your voice commands. This means I can pressure wash, walk a customer through a project, or record training content without fiddling over some gear. Each and every POV shot that you see here is completely captured by the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. They shoot in 1080p and the camera is hidden in the frame, so it's discreet. The microphone quality is surprisingly clear, even with the pressure washer humming in the background. They take up to 3-minute videos at a time, all with the push of a button, and is uploaded to your phone's app. As of right now, I can see this technology being used to capture property walkthroughs, create training videos, or even video messaging with someone back at the office to clarify something in the field. Imagine walking a property for an estimate and making a little audio note as you go. Then you can send that video right to the customer to let them know what you see. This would go a long way with establishing trust, showing that your company's on the cutting edge of technology, or maybe even offering some upsells. And with the speed of technology and the new AR features that are coming out every single day, I'm sure that this is just the beginning. Imagine these glasses being integrated with some kind of augmented reality overlay that shows the eye limits of a particular surface or what ratio of chemical you should use on a project. Maybe an integrated AI so you can do a walkthrough with an audio recording and that gets converted into a quote for you. I know all of this sounds pretty far out, but technology has been moving faster than ever. Right now, think of these glasses more like a dash cam, but for a technician, lowering liability, documenting processes, and building trust with a customer and employees. We're entering an era where content creation, communication, and job documentation are all converging, and tools like this could be as common as your surface cleaner. Let's get back to the present here. I've recorded a few jobs on these now, and here are my thoughts. Not having to wear a chest mount or headgear for a camera is great. It feels completely effortless to wear these. They're pretty much as light as regular glasses. I honestly didn't feel a difference of them on my face. It's a true POV perspective. So many times I go to capture something and I forget to track the camera with where I'm looking. The mic is decent for quality narration. And lastly, unlike a phone or camera, when the battery dies, this technology still functions as a pair of prescription sunglasses or just regular glasses. And lastly, unlike a phone or a camera, when the battery dies on these, this technology still has its function as prescription glasses or sunglasses. In my experience, I did find myself itching to get them charged again when they died. It was almost like the anxiety of having a dead piece of technology on me. But nevertheless, when the battery died, the classic Ray-Bans still looked and felt stylish. I have to start the cons with the battery life. After just a few recordings, they alerted me that they were at 5% battery, making it unreliable as a main camera for content creation. They did seem to charge fairly quickly in the case. I was able to get right back to capturing jobs, but don't expect to film an entire project. Videos are limited to only 3-minute clips, and after about 8 to 10 videos, you're gonna need to recharge these things. Currently, the camera doesn't offer any kind of stabilization, so you will see every adjustment, step, jerk of the lens, everything. This can be a bit disorienting when you're reviewing that footage. The camera sensor is not optimized for night shots, low lights, and the video quality is limited to 1080p and does not capture any 4K. If you're a solo operator, a content creator, or someone training a team, this can be a powerful tool. Not a full replacement for a GoPro yet, but a slick addition to your toolkit, especially if you want to show customers exactly what you see. Do you want to see more first-person jobs with these glasses? Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment if you think AI or AR is going to take over the service industry. I'll be covering more tech products like this for contractors.